Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create Snapchat account. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So after installing your Snapchat application, simply tap on the app and launch the application in order to move forward. Here we go. Now, once you are here on this main app's interface, you'll see two of these options. If you wish to, you can tap on Continue with Google to link your Snapchat account with your Google account, or else you can simply tap on the option of Sign Up. Now, simply tap on Continue at the bottom. Now, simply tap on Allow. Now over here, if you wish to, you can tap on Allow to sync your contacts, or if you don't wish to sync your contacts, you can tap on Deny and move forward. Now, once you are here, you have to enter your first and last name. After entering your name, tap on Continue. Now, let's enter the birthday here. Now, after you have entered your birthday, simply tap on Continue again. Now, your auto-generated name of Snapchat has been displayed here. If you wish to change your name, simply tap on the option of Change My Username text in blue color just below your username displayed. Now, once you are here, you can also see various username suggestions at the bottom. You can select these usernames as well, or if you wish to change your username by yourself, just go to the box and edit your username. Now, after changing your username, simply tap on Continue at the bottom of your screen. Now, you have to set a strong password for your account. Make sure the password is of at least 8 characters. Now, at the bottom, you can see the option of Save Login Info on your phone. You can make a check mark on this box, or if you don't wish to save your login info on your mobile device, simply remove the check mark from this option. Now, after this, simply tap on Continue at the bottom. Now, you have to enter your email address or phone number according to your preference. Now, in my case, I'm just gonna enter my email address here. Here we go. Now simply tap on the option of Continue after you have entered your email address or your phone number. Now, this step is optional. Now over here, you have to select a country according to your location, and then according to your country code, you have to enter your phone number. Or just simply tap on the option of Skip at the top right corner. Now this step is also optional. You can tap on Continue in order to add friends or tap on Skip. Now, you can also create your Bitmoji in order to express your emotions to your friends on Snapchat. This step is optional. You can either tap on Continue or tap on the option of Skip at the top right corner of your screen again. Now, within a matter of seconds, you can see that my Snapchat account has successfully been created. Now you can use various filters from Snapchat and send snaps and videos to your friends. You can also maintain streaks in order to increase your Snapchat score. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming tutorial videos.